Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload files and photos to OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will give you access to your personal cloud storage, where you can store and manage all your files and photos. After signing in, you'll need to wait a moment while the login process completes. This usually takes just a few seconds, and once it's done, you'll be automatically redirected to your OneDrive dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can view, organize, and manage everything you've stored in the cloud. Now, to upload your files and photos to OneDrive, direct your attention to the top left part of your dashboard. Here, you'll notice a button labeled Create or Upload. Go ahead and click on this button. This is the primary method for adding new content to your OneDrive storage, whether it's documents, images, videos, or any other file type you need to back up or share. Once you click on Create or Upload, a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. This window allows you to browse through all the folders and files on your computer, making it easy to locate exactly what you want to upload. Simply navigate through your folders and select the files or photos you wish to upload to your OneDrive. You can select multiple files at once by holding down the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac while clicking on each file. After you've selected all the files and photos you want to upload, click on the Open button at the bottom of the File Explorer window. This initiates the upload process, and OneDrive will begin transferring your selected files from your computer to the cloud. Depending on the size of your files and your internet connection speed, this process might take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, so be patient while it completes. Once the upload process finishes, you'll be able to see all your newly uploaded files and photos right there in your OneDrive. Simply navigate to the My Files menu on the left side of your dashboard, and you'll find everything you just uploaded organized and ready to access from any device, anywhere. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded your files and photos to OneDrive, making them accessible across all your devices and safely backed up in the cloud. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.